Hello, the date is the 2nd of April 2020. The time is 11:50 p.m. and I've just come outside and there's very strange noises in the direction of the North Hykeham congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses, the Birchwood Kingdom Hall on Birchwood Avenue. That's very loud. Can you hear it? There's a humming noise, almost like a generator, electricity. I'm hoping the wind's not blowing on my microphone. It's very noisy tonight. Oh my goodness. It's gone over in that direction now. It's changing all the time. That's quite loud, loudest I've heard it. This is a definite sign from Jehovah of an imminent stock market crash on the 6th of April 2020, and we're going to see a dramatic crash, and then Watchtower will be destroyed on the 7th of April, on the night Jehovah's Witnesses celebrate the memorial of Jesus' death, and it will be in a supernatural way that Jehovah destroys Watchtower for all the nations of the earth to see. He will destroy Babylon the Great. These noises in the direction of the North Hykeham congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses. That's a car you can hear. There's noises all around, to be honest. There's the moon up there. The moon's in star sign Cancer. That's the moon. That's just up there. I'm just outside on the street. That's a car you can hear there. I think. You never know.
Earthquake upgraded to 4.7 from 4.5. Location, Philippine Islands region. Class, light, 26 minutes ago.
That was an earthquake 4.7 in the Philippines. And I know for a fact, well, it's 4.7, that earthquake. Isaiah 47 talks about the fall of Babylon. So that's quite clever, that is. Jehovah's done a sign through earthquakes, as he normally always does every day for me. Can you hear that humming? It's almost like a roadway.
Location, Northern Molucca Sea. Class, light, magnitude 4.1, 5 minutes ago.
So that's 4.1. Now you have to look at Isaiah 41. I can't remember what that says now, but just have a look at Isaiah 41. But that sound of the roadway, now in this direction, I think, is the A46. And obviously there's traffic on there. It's about 2 miles away, but there's no way you could hear any traffic on it, and I doubt there will be anyway, because because of the coronavirus lockdown, everybody's not there. But that's been in the north. That sound has also been in the south, and now we're in west again. The west, the noise is coming from the west like a roadway. It's like heavy traffic going along a road. Hear that humming? That's coming in that direction. Very noisy over there. There's a road up there on Birchwood Avenue where the Kingdom Hall is, but there's no cars on it. And you wouldn't hear it anyway, because I can't hear them in the day. It's always at night time. It's always round about this time I hear the noise. Daytime you don't hear anything, it's quiet round here. Anyway, I think I'll call it a day now and put this on YouTube. Bye for now.